Hi Keith, just a quick video to show you what I've been messing with in terms of trying to raise flags. So I've got my little 12 volt power supply. I've got my spare 3D printer board which can drive 4 stepper motors and has inputs for limit switches and drives heated beds and all wonderful stuff. But I'm just using one of the stepper motor outputs, which is going to a stepper motor which is a spare from that printer as well, which I've just put a disc on so you can see rotation, and it's also connected to the spare screen. So on the top it's got encoder, which is the position of this encoder here, and then the speed that I'm trying to turn the stepper motor at. So just to show you what I mean, if I turn it, I'll turn it onto lowest speed forwards, and there it is rotating. And then if I stop it, just turn it back one, and then I can go the other way. Okay, and then just to show you the sort of speeds I can get out of it. And there, that's showing 8,000. So that's about as fast as I can go. After that it stays the same, even though the encoder, it's trying to push the speed up, but I can turn it back down. People play music with these things. And obviously it can do the same the other way. And the idea would be that you'd need a limit switch to find its home position, and there's commands to make it home slowly, if you like, to get to that. And then after that you would tell it to go forwards, as in up so many revolutions. And so you wouldn't need a limit switch on the raise, just on the like a parking position, if you like, somewhere a known position. Whereas if you do it with relays, you probably need 2 limit switches. Okay, so that's what I'm playing with, but I mean, these aren't cheap, and you don't have to use a printer board. You could use an Arduino and some stepper driver modules, but it may be too expensive to go that way, to be honest. I'm now looking at just driving a DC motor, but I need 2 limit switches, one at the top, one at the bottom, and all that sort of thing. But at least you can just drive that with relays, which is what we're used to with the lights. Anyway, that was it. Have fun.